In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Resize in Canva. If you've ever designed something for one platform and then needed it to fit another format, this feature saves tons of time by adapting your layout without rebuilding from scratch. First, open the design you want to resize in the Canva editor. You can start from any existing project. Make sure everything is saved and that you are happy with the current version so you know exactly what you are resizing from. At the top of the editor, look for the magic switch button. This used to be called Resize, so if you are used to the old name, you are in the right place. Click Magic Switch, and from the menu that appears, choose Resize. This tells Canva you are changing the dimensions of your design. Next, pick your new size. You can select from the suggested presets like Instagram post or A4, which are handy because they're already optimized for common platforms and print standards. If you need something specific, enter custom dimensions. You can switch units between pixels, inches, or millimeters depending on whether you are designing for screen or print. A quick tip, think about aspect ratio. Moving from a square to a vertical format will change how elements fit. So choose a size that matches your use case. When you are ready, you have two choices. Select Resize to transform your current file, or choose Copy and Resize to create a new version. If you want to keep your original intact, Copy and Resize is the safer option and makes it easy to compare results side by side. After the resize, take a moment to review the layout. Because aspect ratios differ, some elements might shift slightly. Nudge text boxes back into alignment. Scale images to fill the space and adjust font sizes if things feel cramped or too airy. Use Canva's alignment guides to center items and maintain consistent spacing. Check edges and margins so nothing important is cut off. And if your project has multiple pages, click through each one to ensure the layout is consistent across the set. Small tweaks here make a big difference in the final polish. And that's it. Thanks for watching.